Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I create this stay at home natural makeup look. So I'm starting off with my favorite lipstick, which is a nude neutral color towards peach tone, and I really like it. And the first step that I'm going to do is fill in my eyebrows. So I'm using this brow pencil I picked up at some local store, so it's not even branded, but I just somehow love the color and it just goes perfectly with my brow color, so that's the reason I like it. So I first draw the outline and then I try to fill it in. The next thing that I do is brush them up so that they don't look that messy but rather look very natural. The second step is doing a kajal. So I'm using brown Lakmé kajal for my lower lash line. I am a fan of brown kajal, I don't know, for some time. And then I'm going in with a dark black kajal for my upper lash line. And then this is a palette that I'm going to use. This is the shade that I will use for the eyeshadow. So we keep it really neutral. And this is how I just fill it in. So when I don't have a brush and I'm brushing, I like to do it with my fingers. So I'll just dab it around the eyelid and I'm ready. The next step is mascara. Do that because if you're not using eyeliner, this is something that will instantly pop your eyes and it will make them look good and fresh. So you see how much of a difference mascara can make. So this is my full look. Thank you for watching, and you can find all the product details in the caption below. Do like, subscribe, and let me know what more you would like to see of, and I'll definitely try to make them. Thank you. Bye.